Let's go in here.
Without the shells, but it's fun to like remove it.
I want the experience of cracking it.
Oh, it's fun. They give apron.
These look good. Hello Kitty. What is it?
What was the brand?
Finally here, so we're at the Boiling Crab. Where are we at?
We're at the legacy of Linda Chavez, about to eat like a little pig.
She was just playing white rice.
She's hungry. I'm hungry too. And these ones,
Got some
usually
rice.
do like this. If you guys like salt or pepper, so.
I'm gonna follow what Chef I was doing.
I like me a lot of salt and lemon. Oh, they're good lemons.
Oh, very juicy.
Ooh, I can't wait.
And so is this to like pour it over?
You can just dip it in. If you like sour. You can put all this
We got our shrimp.
or you can do this.
Put in another bag.
It looks yummy.
And then put your
Corn, shrimp,
last time. It was $10.
Potato.
The next time it was $11. But
fries,
she said
and
it's
some
$14.
rice. Yum, yum,
No,
yum.
I came like 3-4 years. It's like a tomato. It's called blue, but it's not dark. It's dark. Like it's really sad, but you want to know like what is happening. I started yesterday.
So yummy. So how was it, Yvonne? How did you like it?
It was pretty good, but I felt like it was a bit too much for me. I ordered too many things.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't finish my rice or the fries. Fries are pretty good.
Yeah, I like the fries too. They're pretty good. What about you, Linda?
I'm still hungry.
Are you really?
Yeah. They gave me tiny shrimps. I'm so disappointed.
They did. Do you still have the proof to show us? Oh no, you already
it's in my
cleaned your.
tummy.
You ate it all, Linda?
Yeah, I did.
They gave her tiny shrimp.
What is it?
They gave her tiny shrimp.
Tiny,
Yeah.
but they say if it's small, they will give you more shrimp. So you have to count them.
It was still small.
You weren't stingy enough. You should have counted
I will
them.
just leave them there.
Which one's that one?
Heros. Torfen.
I like this one. It matches my coat. What's that, Linda?
Deodorant. I wanted to see if it was worth it.
What's that one?
Dona Cara Cashmere Mist.
You want to say it like a commercial?
Cashmere Mist.
I like that smell. It smells powdery and clean. You know, like old lady.
No. Wanted to get it.
Wait, what is that? Is like a powder?
It's a deodorant powder
Oh,
thingy.
that is too much. The smell.
Would you recommend? Yes? No?
No. I don't like smell. I mean, the smell is nice as perfume, but not for dinner.
I like this one. That smells good. This one's good too. This is my favorite. These are just okay. They last forever.
Okay.
I use this one.
But honey, I really like absorb because
I use this one. This one smells pretty good.
they're so cute.
Get it.
Yeah, I would get one, but I don't know which one. I like honey, so I would probably do it.
I don't think these work. I use this on my face right now, and it smells good. But this is my face after the spray. I feel like it separated my makeup. What is that? Not a bun.
It's
Or
like
is it
sheet
a
masks,
Achilles
but like this.
Like how?
Like this is like few layers in that.
So,
So you just like take out everything.
so is it like a makeup wipe?
Yeah, but it's
thing.
like pads maybe you put.
That's cool. My favorite summer drink.
What did you get? Everyone got a frappuccino but me.
What is that?
Ice waffle pie.
What did you get?
Tea latte.
Mocha cookie frappuccino.
Same one as mine. Crunch.